Here we are inside the NoMad. As the front door slams, I want to show you these really cute door hangers they have here. Please make up my room. And do not disturb, please. And they have this really beautiful velvety kind of texture. Here we are on the 31st floor. And we had just a regular room booked, but when we checked in, they told us that they had upgraded us. And so I don't know the name of this room, but I will find out for you. But in the meantime, I wanted to show you around. When you walk in, they brought out the luggage stand for our luggage. This hotel reminds me more of somebody's apartment. Like you're going to the city to stay and they're like, oh, I'll be in Paris, so just stay in my place. Everywhere you go, really nice, homey, very sophisticated touches. So let's start over here with a detail I really love. This is the mini bar, if you can believe it. Look at this, it's a steamer trunk and it looks like a real one. I'm not sure if it is real or not, but it looks like it could have been one. And it's been repurposed for this kind of mini bar that you see here. And as we all know, mini bars can be dangerous, but I just wanted to show you what they have here. So in case you ever stay here, you know what there is. There are these beautiful coupe glasses here, which we're definitely gonna use later on with the stuff that we brought from home. And drinking glasses here, an ice bucket, and just look at the ice tongs here. They've got this great little talon detail and this gorgeous wallpaper here too. Really, really love it. When you move out here, you can see there's the steamer trunk detail. I don't know if this opens. Oh yeah, this opens. Oh, that's nice. So there's some storage there. Maybe you could put your jewelry or watches, scarves, small things there. So that's really nice to know. There's that storage. When you open up here, you'll find the safe inside as well. Looks like your standard hotel safe there. Pretty dark. And then down here is the fridge. And when you open that up, you can see all of the goodies that you will pay dearly for. Unfortunately here, no room to put your own items that you might bring from home or pick up when you're here. So just be aware of that. And then when we close that up, the next thing we see is this door. And this is actually a half bath. So the bathroom is split up here. On one side, you'll see there's just a toilet and a sink, which is what we have here. So there's our nice pedestal sink. And then once again, we've got some really nice touches. There's argan soap. There's this gorgeous soap dish that looks like a piece of malachite. And then you've got your standard amenities, nice towels, your toilet, trash can, nice tile on the floor. And then over here, really great touches. Here again is some artwork. And then these light switches, you can dim them. So if you don't want a whole lot of light in the restroom, you can be in the dark, or you can do full effect. And then as we move out of the restroom, there's another door here. And here's where you'll find the closet. And inside the closet, you will find, I just love, love, love this so much. There is a laundry bag here and it says, jackpot winner, the NoMad Hotel Las Vegas. What could be better? And this is canvas. This is like a really heavy, high quality canvas drawstring bag. I am certainly gonna take this home with me. I am certainly gonna ask for another one for Mr. Ellabellita. We will definitely use these in the future. Another thing they have in here, there's two sets of slippers. One of them is kind of hidden away now. But the slippers are so awesome. They're branded with the NoMad logo that you can see right here. And check these out. Right here, Las, And then on the other, Vegas. So here's some more slippers that are gonna come home with us for sure. These will not come home with us. These are the bathrobes. They look really nice. They're terry cloth. They're very, very soft. And again, they have the NoMad logo, so they feel very special. Down here, there is a couple of drawers where you can place some of your smaller items. And I don't remember if I mentioned this or not, but there is a steamer up here, which I really like. I certainly prefer steamer to an iron. I don't know how you guys feel, but might use that for anything that got wrinkled while we were here. So that's the closet for you. And then once you move away from the closet, there's a little vanity here. And the vanity has a mirror as well. And what you can do here is up to you. You could use it as a little working desk if you wanted to. You could put on your makeup here or do your hair. There is a switch here, so you could plug things in. And again, they have that dimmer switch. So if you don't like the way you look in full light, well, why not dim it and look a whole lot better? And then over here, more art as you walk around. So it starts to really feel very, very homey, very much like an apartment instead of a hotel room. So next we're gonna step into the other bathroom. So as we go into the bathroom, there's a full-length mirror here in the hallway, which is great for checking out your look before you head down to the casino or to dinner. And then as you move into the bathroom, you'll see again those nice dimmer switches. And then here we have a really large shower. And I love the size of it. There's nice soft towels here. And then as you move into the shower, you'll see there's this great tile. There's the shower control there. Got a nice big shower head. It looks really, really clean. Obviously, that's what we want. And then more Oregon bath amenities here. Looks like we've got shower gel and conditioner and shampoo. And then a washcloth is in here as well. We've stayed here once before, and these Oregon toiletries are actually really quite nice. A little tip for you, I always bring my own shampoo and conditioner, but what I love is using this conditioner as a shaving lotion. So maybe a tip that you could use as well. So then as you move out of the bath, the shower, which is where we are now, you'll see there's this wonderful tile. This reminds me of like a 1920s building that I used to live in Los Angeles. Really beautiful, and I love the green. And then we've got the vanity here, one sink, nice large mirror. You can see there is a hair dryer, which I appreciate, so I don't have to drag my own with me. And there's towels of different sizes, extra toilet paper. Interestingly enough, in here, although the toilet, as we know, is in a separate half bath, but it's here if you need it. And then we've got these really cool little towel racks on the wall here. And then nice drinking glasses. Here's some complimentary water, 2 bottles. I really, really, really love these Jonathan Adler bath designs here. We've got this beautiful soap dish. We've got this great, this is a tissue holder. And then here we've got this little canister. And in this canister, you can find cotton rounds and cotton swabs. And I certainly appreciate this because I never know whether or not to bring these things. Oh, and look at this. You can't really tell, but this is a shower cap. So all of the things I normally haul along with me because I'm not sure if the hotel will have them. Shower cap, cotton swabs, and cotton rounds for all of your cosmetic needs. Again, you've got art on the wall, so you really do feel like you're staying in someone's apartment instead of a hotel room. So far, so good. So now let's take a look at the main living space. So now we're going to move into the main living space. You walk through once again Some really nice art on the wall. I wonder if it's the same art in all of the rooms or if it differs. These light switches, which you can dim. Here we go. You can dim it, you can make it brighter, and you can dim it. We'll make it bright for now. When you walk in, there's this gorgeous king-size bed. And again, this looks like someone's awesome apartment that they are not using right now because they're in Paris for an extended period of time. And why don't you just stay here while you're in town? There's this gorgeous rug on the floor here, which makes it seem even more like somebody's home. Over here, there's 2 chairs and a table. There's a TV. It's not huge, but it's Samsung. It looks like it would be good quality. Over here on the table, what have they left for us? So there's some information about upcoming shows. Bruno Mars, it'd be fun to see him. There's a letter about health and safety. It looks like they've given us a little amenity kit here. Let's see what's in here. Sorry, I try to hold my phone while we unzip this amenity kit so we can see what's in here. Inside the amenity kit, there are a couple of disposable masks. We're here in September, mid-September of 2021, and currently there is a mask mandate inside the casinos in Las Vegas. Here we have a bottle of hand sanitizer, and looks like that's it, but then you've got this cute little plastic case that you could certainly repurpose, and it's got a Park MGM logo on it. And then as you move away from this area, oh wait, I just saw there's something here we might want to check out. What's in here? So here, there is Bluetooth audio to TV control, HDMI to TV, internet, Android power, iOS power, and you've got some plugs here. So if you're looking to plug in your devices, this is the little hidden spot for you. As we move away from the table and chairs, over here, there's a screen, just kind of in the corner, totally decorative, but it's got the light coming out. There's this really comfortable looking couch with pillows. Another screen over here. And then we've got lights over here by the nightstand. Kind of an old-fashioned looking clock, but I can see here it is also a Bluetooth speaker, so that's kind of fancy. And then this is not marble, but it's made to look like marble. Here's another view of the bed, and you might be looking just beyond the bed and realizing there's a bathtub in the bedroom, which is kind of odd. I don't know if I've ever stayed in a hotel that had a bathtub in the bathroom, but the room we were going to stay in did not have a bathtub. If you watch my review of the Cosmopolitan, you'll see that I really enjoyed having that soaking tub with jets. This tub does not have jets, but it is huge. This is a really, really large bathtub. And I just wish I knew that we were going to have a room with a bathtub, because I would have brought all my bath stuff with me, but we'll buy some stuff and we'll enjoy this. And then here's some more art. There's a little vignette here that you could look at while you're in the bathtub. And then there's this really great, I'm not sure what you call this, but a bath accessory. It looks like you could put your book or your magazine right here, and it would prop up so that you could read it while you're in the bath, or maybe your tablet if you're feeling adventurous. And then there's some more bath amenities here. We've got body lotion and shower gel, and again, it's the argan, which is quite nice. I remember that from our stay before. So huge bathtub right here in the bedroom. I don't know exactly how I feel about that, but you know what? I do love a big bathtub. I don't have a bathtub at home, and I really love a nice bath after a long night on the Vegas Strip. So one thing we haven't looked at yet is the view. There's a really, really tall windows here, and nice detailing in this room. I know I've said this before, and I'll say it again. It really does seem more like an apartment than a hotel room. So let's go over here and see our view. I'm afraid you're gonna get blinded when I open these up. No remote control here. You gotta haul these open by yourself using your own power, but you can do it. All right, and look at this. We've got the best view one could ever want of T-Mobile Arena. So not a strip view in this room. We've got a view of the 15 freeway, but you know what we will have is a really beautiful view of the sunset when that happens. Right now you can see it's kind of blazing, so it's getting there, but this is our view. So that's our room tour. Like I said, I'll find out the actual name of this room. It does have king size bed. It does have a bathtub, a full length mirror. It has the bath with one shower and one sink separate from the bath with the toilet and another sink. Lots of really great amenities here. I think we'll be happy for our 4 days here at the NoMad. So thanks for coming along with me. This is Ellabellita Loves Slots, and I hope you've enjoyed this room tour.